From our audience feedback, we were told that for our drafts 1 and 2, our camera shots were just too shaky, especially for our performances. So we took this chance to actually invest in a stabilizer, which allowed us to have much smoother shots, especially for the performance shots, which we did. Another thing about what our audience noticed was that the narrative between the boy and girl seemed to be going too quick, and they were in the same costume for the whole video. To change this, we changed their costumes for different scenes, and we also added so many more activities, like a montage, to make it seem like their relationship is growing over time. And we even went as far as to add a snowy landscape at the end, showing that they've gone from summer to winter over a couple of months. For our ancillaries, we actually, from our audience feedback, we were told that the ancillaries are too dark and not quite right for the genre of our music. So, to enlighten on this, we actually brightened up the image, overexposing them even, just to make them seem like they're really outdoorsy and lively, properly for the genre of the music.